Okay, as you can see, it's absurdly windy. Her deck is wet. I'm gonna lock that. Good chance our basement could flood tonight. Yes! I know. As you can see, it's really heavy out there. Got a bathtub in case we lose water. It's filled with water. There's a toilet, and as you know. More of that. Filming something. There's on the TV.
Don't question the instructions that are being given because this is a serious storm.
Homeland Security Secretary Janet says the federal
Out here,
is using all resources.
a lot of water.
She says FEMA has positioned.
General things down here. And it has flooded the basement before. I mean, obviously not, you know, absurdly high, but good couple inches up. Trying to get everything off the ground that we can. So yeah, it's pretty goddamn bad.